Hello friends, welcome back to famous, creative, well-known, popular and unique educational channel to watch more videos on JavaScript. When the word comes JavaScript, I always thinking about VueJS. I'm crazy about JavaScript. So I'm back with new creative videos on only VueJS with JavaScript. I have studied VueJS in different style, in different manner, in different way. I got something from the VueJS, but JavaScript with VueJS is something different. So today I'm back with new creative video on VueJS with Tool app using JavaScript, which I have never done before. A interesting, creative and innovative videos on VueJS with JavaScript. So first of all, I will show you each and every file I had done changes. Each and every file I had done changes. I will show you. First of all, we go to src directory. I will show you in main.js I have done these changes. Then in components also, here I done changes. Then here also I done changes. Here also I done changes. And tutorial list services I done changes. Here also I done changes. Since last 4 to 5 hours I was trying this, so I successfully completed. Now we'll execute the program. Yes. Now we will add tutorial, add title PHP and MySQL. Web development. I did successfully. I was facing network error with this tutorial, but I overcome it. Add Java advanced Java JSP and Solid. Yes, I did successfully. Add Python ML and DL, machine learning and deep learning. Now we will see tutorials. Yes, for PHP it is showing PHP and MySQL development status pending. Advanced Java it is showing JSP and Solid. For Python it is showing. Now I will search. Yes, it is searching also properly. Now I will search Python. Yes, it is searching. Now I will remove it, all the tasks which I added. Now I will advanced Java it is showing. Now I will remove all the tasks which are added. Yes, I successfully removed. So I successfully done with a small and creative tutorial of VueJS with Todo app in different style, in different manner, in different way. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on JavaScript. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative and crazy videos on JavaScript. For latest update about JavaScript, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.